Hey guys, so this is the season of unkeeping, the gatekeepingness that has been keeping us gated in the wig community or something like that. Y'all, we not gatekeeping. I'm showing you exactly how to lay your braid wigs, and baby, I got one for you. But first, I gotta get my face together, and for this look right here, I only use 2 products, y'all. This cheek stain from Satu, baby, is easy breezy and it lasts all day. Put your little couple dollops on there, blend it out, that's it. This brush right here, y'all ain't gonna lie, I used to be one of those people who thought like, it's just a brush, you can use any brush. You can't use any brush and get the desired results that you think you supposed to finna get. Cause it just doesn't work like that. I now know, okay? I was hard-headed then. I've been delivered from that. Now, I like to use this around my eyes and my cheeks to just give me like a natural look, like I did something spectacular, but really I didn't. Okay? I need you guys to know that. And then you just blend out that little dollop of concealer. Now, if you don't have dark under eyes, you don't have to do that concealer. You can blush and be through with it. Okay? All right? Now, let me tell you about this baddie I'm about to put on top of my head. This is from the Braid Factory, y'all. Now, you know I love their wigs. You already know what time it is. This is a first for me. This color combo on a braid wig, y'all, it's giving. This color combo changed a lot of things for me because I'm stuck on how good that combination looks. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Let me just tell you. Okay. So this is the Pamela Silky wig. She is a knotless box braid style wig made with premium silky bone straight human hair braiding hair. And I am going to use heat on this because I don't feel like dipping it all the time. Well, most of the time. I can go on to say that. Y'all, look how good that looks. Look how clean and neat. You can't get this everywhere. I want you to understand what I'm saying unto you. Everybody can't braid like that, okay? Let's just tell the truth, shame the devil. Braiders understand how braids are supposed to lie, how they're supposed to feel, how they're supposed to look, how to part, all of the things. So when you want to take your braid wigs up a few notches, you got to go, you got to go on home. Okay, Pamela Silky. She can be worn glueless, you guys, okay? She can. And I'm going to show you that. I am going to end up melting, though, because, you know, it looked too good not to be melted. Now, I do want to tell you, you can get transparent lace or you can get HD lace. If you choose HD lace, there is an upcharge, okay? I'm just letting you know. So, don't say I didn't tell you. Now, there was a lot of hair around. Now this is a full lace wig and there was a whole lot of hair around, especially in the back. Honey, I cut all that off. I don't need none of that. And then in the front, I like my hair to be on the braid wigs that I wear. I like for the hair to be very sparse and short. So I took a lot of that hair off of the front of the wig. I took all of it off the back. Yeah. And then I'm actually going to end up taking the rest of it off of the front because I was feeling like the boxes were so clean that I didn't want any, even not the little sparse baby hairs in front of it. Those boxes are super clean. And I wanted to give the appearance like I just got my hair braided. You know what I'm saying? Not that the braids have grown out a little bit, blah, blah, blah. I wanted it to look fresh and clean. So I ended up cutting all of it off. For real. Now, this part right here, y'all, excuse my face, I'm still a little bit swollen, okay? This part right here is totally optional. I always customize my fit, okay? I use my own ear tabs, as you guys know. It just, for me, it looks better. I like it. Now, this is a little tricky trick, okay? You take 2 braids from the back of the ears and tie them together in the back. It's gonna snatch honey, especially if you're trying to wear it glueless, okay? That's like a, I don't know. I do that when I wear braid wigs though, y'all. So, you know, just a little tip, little pro tip, you know what I'm saying? Act like you know tip, all right? Now, I decided right here that I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of the hair off in the front. So what I'm doing is zigzagging behind that line of baby hair all the way across, okay? Now I'm not going too far, like I don't wanna get too close to the braids, okay? Just far back enough to where the baby hair is gone, all right? That's gonna give you that clean look. All right, that's gonna get, especially if you get HD lace. If you get HD lace, baby, ooh wee. Now, I just decided to melt because I've just been there lately. If it looks really good to me glueless, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to melt it because I'm excited. It makes me excited when a wig looks really good glueless, okay? Because then I'm like, oh, this melt is about to be special, okay? Now as far as your options with this wig, you don't have to get this color, okay? You could get natural colors, you can get all the different colors. There's so many different colors and color combos. There are different lace bases. You can get 13x6, 7x7 closure, which probably will be very easy to work with. 8x8 closure. You can get full lace like what I have here. You could get small, large, medium, cap size, you guys. So there are a lot of different options. You can really customize you a beautiful braided wig. And these are braiders, y'all, that's putting their foot in these braids. You hear me? Okay? These are actual braiders that are putting their fingertips upon your wig. That makes a difference. That makes a huge difference. Y'all, out of all the little styles that I wore in, that ponytail was doing me, okay? That ponytail was it. Now, you don't have to get it this long either, I don't think. Maybe you do. I don't know, but this is butt length, so it's long, but it's not heavy like you would think for it to be so long. So just keep that in mind. But it's between 28 and 32. No, is it? Yeah, this is mine is butt length, you guys. So just do with that what you will. It says on their website current processing time is 14 to 28 working days. Okay, so you want to keep that in mind. If you're looking to get something really fast, this wouldn't be it. But if you can wait, it's worth the wait. Look at that, y'all. Come on now, I'm ready for the day. I'm ready to run to the store and pick me up some fruit. Okay, look, come on now. It's giving boho chic baddie. You know, the Braid Factory. Yes, come on. I'm loving it, y'all. What you think about this one?